Hey guys, welcome back to another live. I hope everybody's doing great. We're back again live here to analyze and trade the market. If this is your first time joining, it's good to have you here. On here, what I do is I analyze the Forex and the cryptocurrency market for you guys, and also do take live trades here if we see good trading opportunity. And I also share with you guys some general information on the market that can just help you to get started. This is a great place for beginners. Make sure you follow me if you want to get more information. Follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group to stay connected. The link is in the bio, so head over to the bio right now and then join the Telegram group, okay? So without further ado, let's get started with the analysis here. We're going to start with analyzing gold. Let me just quickly share the YouTube the group as well. Okay, perfect. All right, so I've shared the live on the YouTube as well. Okay, so let's get started. We will look at gold and then we'll look at Bitcoin and some other pairs. Okay, so let's just start here, and we have about 1 hour for this live, and then I'll come back again later in the evening for the evening session. Okay, so let's start off by looking at gold here on the daily time frame, and then we'll go up to the smaller time frames. Okay, so right now gold is currently trading 26.78. That's the current price right now, and right now we can see on the left side here, this is exactly the area where gold actually got rejected. Okay, it went all the way to 26.85, and then from there it received massive rejection, came back down towards 2600, and we pumped. So right now basically gold is at resistance. Okay, it's currently at the resistance level. Now on the daily time frame, we haven't gotten rejected yet. Okay, there's high chance we could get rejected here, okay, just because of what's happening on the lower time frames. High chance daily time frame might end up getting rejected as well. But at this point, you don't want to be selling gold, you know, day trading, whatever, like selling gold at this area is not, I mean, buying gold, you don't want to be buying gold at this level because this is a resistance level. Okay, so I'm anticipating that gold is going to dump because of where it is at right now. Okay, and yeah, on this daily time frame, it is in an uptrend. As you guys can see, we're still in this uptrend, and the uptrend is still intact because we didn't break below 2542. So as a result, the uptrend is still intact. Okay, and this uptrend can still continue as long as gold for now the critical level that we cannot break below, it is 2600 now. Okay, initially it was 2546, but now it's actually going to be 2600 here because we did build some new support here, which price used to bounce back up higher. So the new level that gold has to now hold in order for this uptrend to continue is 2600. Okay, now this could be a good level to look for buying opportunity. If gold returns to it, you can look to buy between 2604 and 2628. Okay, so that will be a good level for buy. So now let's go and then one more thing actually. So if we get rejected here, the daily candle turns out to be bearish, then the price is going to come back down. Okay, so if we get a daily bearish candle closing right around this resistance, this is going to cause the price to come back down gradually. Okay, it might not come down right away, but it's going to slowly make its way back down to this support. Okay, but that has not happened, so we can't really say that. Now let's go down to 4 hours, see what's happening on the 4 hour time frame. We can sort of like see, we can see the resistance. I mean, we can see the trend. Okay, On the 4-hour, we had a small bearish trend here, which price actually ended. We broke out. Okay, we broke above that resistance here, and then this enabled the price to actually start pushing up. Okay, the resistance was here at 26.53. We broke above it, so price now push. Close this resistance. So on the 4-hour, we're now in an uptrend here, and then the critical level of support now is 26.58. Okay, so 26.58 now is the level that price cannot break below. Okay, if this is going to continue, then price shouldn't break below 26.58. If we break below 26.58, then we're most likely going to head back down. Okay, most likely. So since that didn't happen, yeah, we're still in this uptrend, and good area to look for buys would be around 26.70. Okay, as of right now, like, we have good support around 26.70 and 26.60 as well. So if the price returns there, that could be a good area to look for buy. Okay, now the previous candle here on the 4-hour actually got rejected. Okay, that's a little bit of a concern. This is bearish. This is something that usually sends the price back down. Okay, so I'm just because of this, I'm anticipating that we're gonna go down. Okay, I am anticipating that, so I want to see how the market is going to react on the lower time frame. I'll go down to the lower time frame just to see what's happening there. Okay, but this bearish rejection here is not very too good. There's one more thing. Let me just see if there's any data getting released today. No. Yeah, so we don't have anything. So yeah, we got rejected previous candle. Okay, that's slightly bearish. Now let's see now on the 1-hour. Even on the 1-hour, we are in an uptrend, and on the 1-hour, good area to buy is still between 26.70 there. Okay, 26.70, 26.60. Price is not there yet. Right now, this is where we are at. Price is just moving sideways right now. It's just moving side to side. We have some minor support at 26.73, which the price is basically has been using to bounce back and forth between. And then of course that major resistance at 26.55. Okay, so yeah, that's what's happening here on the 1-hour. So now let's just scale down. Let's check out the 30 minutes. Same thing. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap. Let's get the likes to 70,000 to 7,000. Let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap on your screen. Okay. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap on it. Let's get the likes up. So it's currently at resistance here, and I want to take a small sell. Okay, I'm gonna just take a small sell here at this resistance since we're getting rejected. Okay, and then target 26.77 as we take profit number 1. And by the way, guys, the trading platform that I use and recommend is abato.com and FXCC. So this trade that I took is on abato.com. Really good broker to use. They offer 0 commission and low spread. This is great to help you save money on trading fees. Highly recommend it. Go to my bio right now and sign up right now. There's a link in my bio. You'll see recommended trading platform number 1 and number 2. Sign up with both of them so you can start trading right away. Okay, I took this trade on abato.com. Okay, it's a sell on gold. And it's pretty easy to take a trade there. You know, it's just clicking a button. You know, that's pretty much it. Let's keep tapping on our screen. So I've analyzed gold. Okay, so like right now, gold, I told you guys, we're currently at resistance here, and price approached this resistance here on the 1 minute. We got rejected. Okay, so yeah, so I'm anticipating that we're going to go down. Okay, I'm anticipating we're going to start heading down because of how we got rejected on the 1 hour and the 4 hour. I'm anticipating a sell. Now we have resistance 2685. Okay, 2685, strong resistance there. So yeah, if we end up breaking above that, then the price is most likely going to go up. Okay, so yeah, so this sell now that I'm on, take profit number 1 is 26.77, and price is already there. Okay, so it's already approaching that. This was a quick sell here. It's approaching the first take profit, and then the second take profit is at 26.75. So I'm already up by $40. I wonder if I should keep holding. I'm gonna keep holding it. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. How many hours? I didn't read in the comments. Sorry, what do you mean by how many hours? So to everybody who's just joining the live, welcome to the live. I hope you're doing great. So what I'm doing here is analyzing the Forex market, currently looking at gold, and then we'll look at the other things like Bitcoin and all that. So this is a great place to be in if you're someone who wants to learn how to analyze and how to trade the market. Then make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can get more information for free. Okay, and sign up with my recommended broker, abato.com and FXCC. The link is in my bio. Head over there and sign up right now. My chart is different. We still enter a sell. If you want to enter a sell, let's wait for the price. You know, resistance right now, the sell zone is between 2680 and 2685. Price came to the resistance here. We got rejected, so that's why I entered the sell here. So far that one played out, so the price returns here again and it gets rejected again. You could enter a sell there. Okay, now right here, price is currently holding this support, so it's most likely going to push back up to the resistance again. Okay, it's most likely going to have pushed back up to the resistance, and then if it gets rejected again, you could re-enter a sell. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, in the meantime, if I was using trend, I used to use trend lines, but I don't really use them as much anymore. But I guess if I was to use this trend line here, we could say price broke out. Okay, broke out of this trend line. Now it's heading down. Now currently it's at support, so it could use this support to push back up to this resistance once more before continue falling further down. And then the next take profit would be at 26.74. Okay, that is a trend line strategy. So let's go and look at something else. I'm going to be closely monitoring it. Okay, if for whatever reason price doesn't return here, instead it just keeps dumping, that's fine. Still don't enter a sell. Okay, just wait for the price to now approach the support for you to now look for a buy. Okay, currently we have minor support here at 26.70, which if the price, honestly, if the price comes back there again, I don't think I will even want to use that support to buy. Okay, just because I use it quite quite a while, so I would wait for, like, the next major support will be around 2670. Okay, 2674, 73 is the minor support right now, and once that one gets broken, the next major one is at 2670. Okay, 2670 would be a good area to look for buys if the price actually holds that support. Okay, so 2670, 2674, and we have some support there, which I'm gonna mark down here. I already have it marked, but let me also put this one here because this is the 1 hour support. So we'll just mark it down. Let's actually mark it down here just so we are like here. Okay. So yeah, I just marked this one here. Okay, so this is a good area to also look for buys here for the 1 hour. Okay. Okay. Not answer. So let's look at something else. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's double tap on the screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 10,000, please. Double tap on your screen, people. Please double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes up. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin, so start off by the daily time frame here. Okay, so Bitcoin, yeah, right now 67,835. That's the current price for Bitcoin, and it is approaching the set resistance at 70,000. I think this is where Bitcoin is heading. Okay, 70,100. That's where it's heading there. On the daily time frame, we are in this uptrend here. And then we have support at 66,000. Okay, so 66,500. That's the high we broke above on the daily time frame, so that's now going to turn into our support. Okay, so if you're like looking to buy Bitcoin and stuff, I would wait for the price to get back to 66,000. Okay, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame to see if that's actually going to happen, if the price is showing any signs of returning to that support or not. But that would be basically the best area to look for buys for the Bitcoin price. Okay, on here, this candle here, we can actually see it did already return there. Okay, after this is the candle that broke that resistance. This next candle, when it started, it actually dropped to 66,000. Okay, that would have been a buying opportunity, but right now it has already like pretty much pushed away from it. And now let's see the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so yeah, in 1 hour time frame, we broke out, came back for retest here, and then now the price pushed up. Okay, so this uptrend Bitcoin is in. Okay, if we're gonna keep going higher, it has to make sure we don't break below 64,074. Okay, 64,000. If you're trying to buy Bitcoin and targeting 70,000 for your take profit, best area for stop loss, is 64,000, because price could come down here and still push up, but it's going to make sure it doesn't break below this level. Okay, in order to reach 70,000, going to make sure. And gold is back at our resistance. It's back at the resistance, and we can see we got rejected there. So we came back to the resistance, and then we got rejected. So entering the second sell for gold. And then this time around, I'm going to target 2675 as a take profit. Okay. Let me go back to gold. Okay. Let's go back to I'm gonna use 15 minutes. Yeah, this is the cell, guys. This is the cell that I entered, the second cell on this live. And first take profit is at around 26.75, and then we have 26.73, and then finally 6.86. And the reason why we're entering this sell is because price got rejected when it came back to this resistance. Okay, resistance zone is between 26.80 and 26.85. First sell was this one here when we approached it and we got rejected, so that's when we entered the sell. The second sell is because we came back here to the resistance again, and then the price got rejected, so that's why I entered the sell here again. Okay, so the more the price keeps coming here and getting rejected, the more sells we can basically enter, because this entire zone, it is a level for selling. Okay, level to enter, to be selling pretty much. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Let's hit the likes to 10,000, please. Double tap on your screen. Okay, so let me finish up with the Bitcoin analysis. I was analyzing Bitcoin, but then we took a break to look at the gold. So yeah, so Bitcoin here, you guys can see on this 1 hour time frame, it's looking very interesting. Okay, after this breakout here, price came back, did a retest, and then now it's going back up. Okay, this is our resistance here, our current resistance, minor resistance, 67,000, and price hasn't broken it. Okay, it got rejected there. It did attempt to break it, but it got rejected. As you guys can see there, this is a rejection, and now this current candle here also tried to break it, but it also got rejected. Okay, it's also currently getting rejected. So if this candle ends up closing the way it's currently looking, I think the price of Bitcoin is going to come back down to 66,580. And from there, we can actually start looking for buys, because I do think Bitcoin is going to push up towards 70,000. And yeah, so we can join this buy to 70,000 when the price returns to around 66. Oh, our sell on gold actually just hit our take profit number almost. Well, didn't hit the complete digit, but for me, I like to get out even when the price hasn't like completely hit it. So for now, for this trade, we're gonna close out. Okay, so that sell on gold closed out at about 70,000 profit. $70 profit. So close that trade. So that was a nice sell. If you took it, congratulations, and I advise you to just close the trade now. Okay, just close it, and then we'll wait for the price to either return back to this resistance zone again for us to look for more sales. If it doesn't, then we'll just wait for it to come to the support here for us to look for buy, 26.70. Okay, yeah, so let's head over back to Bitcoin. Almost here with the Bitcoin analysis. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap screen. Let's get the likes to 10,000, please. Double tap. Guys, please double tap on your screen. Okay, yeah, so Bitcoin, like I already said, if we get rejected where we are right now, we're most likely coming back down to 66,000 there, and then that could be a good area to look for buy. And yeah, if the price keeps dropping, it cannot break below 64,500. If we get a 1 hour candle closing below 64,000, 64,500, then we can look to sell, because the Bitcoin price is going to start a downtrend on this 1 hour time frame. It's going to start heading down. Okay, so but for now we want to just be looking for buying opportunities since we are in this nice uptrend. Okay, and the best area to buy 66,500, 64,700. Anywhere inside this zone here is a good buying opportunity. Okay, and I think price is coming back down here since we are getting rejected right now at 67,000. We're currently getting rejected, so most likely gonna head back down. Okay, and yeah, most people would enter sell because of that, but I don't like to trade against the trend, especially not for Bitcoin. For gold, I do it. So I do have a strategy on the lower time frames. But Bitcoin, I don't like trading against the trend. So even though I know the price is coming down, could enter a sell, but it's just too risky. So yeah, I wouldn't do that. Okay. Let's check out gold. Let's see what's happening here. We can see it's coming down. It has hit our first take profit, and now it's heading to the second take profit. Okay, that's good for you guys right here, guys. And I think we will break 2670. Okay, so this small resistance here that we've been using to push back and forth up to, I think we're gonna break that. Let's see. I'm gonna draw this box here. See if the price is gonna break this support actually. Let's see if that support is gonna get broken. No, if support goes broken, you don't go for sale. I mean, we'll look for sale at the retest, but we don't go look for sale. The support getting broken just means we're gonna dump to 70,000. Okay, 70,000 is where the next. So it looks like the price is trying to hold that support. Okay, look at that. We're trying to hold it. So if we hold it, could enter buy. Okay, it's a little bit more risky, but we're gonna have a very tight stop loss for this buy here. Okay, if we're gonna enter buy on this one, very tight stop loss to, yeah, I don't think it's gonna hold it, because you know that's a support that it has used multiple times. The more the price uses the support, you know, it bounces up from that support, the weaker the support becomes. Okay, the weaker. Okay, there you go. It's breaking in. Yeah, that's pretty much a breakout. Okay, it's not too obvious, but it did break below it. Now, usually when the price breaks support and stuff, there are two things that will happen. Either one, it will suddenly crash all the way down to the next support, or it will bounce back up to do a retest. Okay, so yeah, so in this instance, this is what's happening. I think the price is quickly going back up to do a retest. Okay, so when the price breaks the support, like this, you usually don't want to sell right away. Okay, you don't usually want to sell right away once the support gets broken. It's best to wait for the price to pull back up. Okay, push back up to do a retest, and once that retest is successful, okay, then you go ahead and enter your sell. So this retest so far, price did a retest, but we haven't gotten a confirmation that the sell is going to continue. So I wouldn't enter a sell at this moment, okay, because the price is still forming bullish candlesticks, and if it keeps doing that, then I will not be too confident in entering a sell. Okay, I would wait until I see the formation of a bearish candlestick, which tells me that price is getting ready to start heading back down. Okay, so this one here looks like it's holding the support. Okay, now resistance is up here. 26.75 is the resistance. That's basically the last. Actually, it wouldn't be this. It would be this previous high. 26.70. 26.76 would be the level that it cannot break above. Okay, if it breaks above 26.76, then it's most likely going to push back up, back towards this resistance here. Okay, because it broke below this support, it has to make sure it doesn't break above 26.76 there. So that would be now the area I can look to sell. If we get rejected here, I could look to enter sell back down here. But if we break above this level, then I would like to look for a buy, because it means the price is gonna push back up higher. So let's see if the breakout of this support is actually gonna get respected or not. Sometimes price doesn't respect it, especially on the lower time frame. Okay, this is a lower time frame, so yeah, even though price broke out, it might not respect it. It might just keep pushing up. So let's see, it's getting rejected already. Okay, they got rejected. Now I'm gonna enter a very small sell with a very tight stop loss at 26.78. Okay, 26.78, and then target 26.70 as the take profit. Oh, that was so fast. Oh my goodness, that was very fast, but it played out just like I anticipated. Yeah, that was super fast, guys. Wow, unfortunate. I didn't even get the chance to click sell on a battle. It's fine. Okay, we'll wait for another opportunity, but I hope you guys understood what happened there. Okay, the price, the reason why it's selling is because we got this breakout here. Okay, the price broke out here, this candle here. It's not super noticeable, but it is a breakout, right? So once the price broke out, now you had to come back to do a retest, and then the retest was successful after we saw this bearish candle. So this bearish candle basically told me that, okay, price is getting ready to start heading down. So that's what happened. And then the stop loss would be above 26, either 26.76 or 26.70, let's say 26.77 or 26.78. Okay, because that's the level we cannot break back above. So yeah, now price is at our support, and let's see if it's going to hold that support. Okay, this is a very major support on the 1 hour time frame. If the price holds that support, we will get a bounce back up, probably back to this resistance 26.80. Okay, let's see how the market is reacting at this support here. If I go to the 1 hour, you'll see that's the support on the 1 hour. Okay, so this entire zone, 26.65 up to 26.70, is a strong level for support for the price. So if we do hold it, I'm going to look to enter a buy. Okay, so far price is sort of holding it. Okay, holding it. Let's see. It is holding the support. Okay. Sarah stole my money and lied about helping me to invest. Weird. So Reggie, you probably communicated with one of the people impersonating me, because I would never send you a message and ask you to invest or on anything. So I think it is not me that you spoke to. You probably spoke to those fake people creating fake accounts under my name. So guys, be very careful, because I do have a lot of people who have created fake profile accounts under my name for TikTok, Telegram, and stuff, and they're using it to basically, I can't say the word, but it's SCAM people. So you gotta be careful. If you get anybody reaching out to you as me, just know that it is not me. Okay, I don't do any account management. I will never ask you to send me money for investment. I will never do that. So Reggie, it is not me that took your money. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to hear that, but it is not me. And I don't remember ever sending you a message. I will never send anybody a message first. Can we buy? Okay, so we got the price is holding the support. I'm actually going to share this signal here. Y'all give me a second. Can we buy now? Yeah, I have a lot of people faking it. So okay, so someone is asking, can we buy now? We did hold the support, yes. Now let's wait. Price is returning back here again. If it holds it again, then we can enter a buy. Let's see. Now Oh, thank you, Terry, for the gift. Thank you very much. Okay, so for our buy, guys, we can see price came here, and then it didn't like touch it exactly, and then it bounced back up. Okay, so for now, okay, for now, if you're trying to enter buy, don't. Okay, because right now it's in the middle. It's better to wait for the price to return back to 26.70. Look for buy there, or we wait for this resistance, current resistance 26.75 to get broken. Okay, if we break above this resistance 26.75, then we can look for buy and target 26.80 as a take profit. Okay, so that's basically it. Either number one, 26.70, if we get back to that level and you buy, or if we break above 26.75. Okay. Okay, so it came back to that support and it's holding it. Yeah, Reggie, please report that account. Report that account. How can I join your teaching? If you want to join, I'm guessing you're talking about my trading class. If you just go to my bio right now, you'll see a form there. There's a link that you need to click on. It will direct you to a form that you need to fill so you can register for the class. Okay. The next trading class is starting on October 21st. And the deadline to register is October 20. Okay, so let's look at something else. Okay, let's look at, we've looked at Bitcoin already. Okay, we are aware of what's happening I have about 10 more minutes with you people, and I will call it a day and come back later today. Okay, so Bitcoin here, we can see the candle that just closed. It closed bullish. Okay, so yeah, so for now, with Bitcoin, yeah, it's better either wait for this resistance to get broken, 67,900. To get a break above it, then you can look for buy. Or number two, wait for Bitcoin to come back to 66,500 and look for buy around there. Okay, so that is it for Bitcoin. Next, let's check out GBP/USD here. All right, so for GBP/USD, currently 130.08. We are in this uptrend here, which is actually yeah, the price is currently at a very critical level, 1.30. Okay, 1.30 here. Let me just delete all this stuff. So 1.30 is a level that we cannot break. Okay, but it looks like price is gonna most likely break it. It just, yeah, does not look. So GBP/USD right now, it's gonna enter a downtrend on this daily time frame. Once we get a daily candle closing below 1.30, we will get a enter this downtrend. So you want to look for you want to start looking for selling opportunities. Okay, as a result of that. Now let's go down to 4 hour. See what's happening in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we are in a downtrend. Price just broke below this support here. Okay. So for GBP/USD, for now, because the price is in a downtrend, you want to look for selling opportunities. Okay, you want to look to sell, and the best area to sell is between 1.3018 and 1.3084. Price just broke this resistance, so now it's going to do a retest, and once it gets to this point, 1.3083, and it gets rejected, then you can look for a sell around there. Okay, then you can look for a sell around there. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then if it ends up breaking above 1.3107, then you can look for a buy. Okay, if we get a breakout above 1.3104, okay, then you can look for a buy, because that's the critical level. We cannot, I mean, we have to break in order to get out of this downtrend that we're currently in. Okay, so for gold, we can see it's currently still within this support zone. The support zone is between 2670 and 2665. Okay, it's still within that zone. So yeah, so we've got the first support here. The price tapped into it the first time, and then it held it. That's why we saw it bounce back up to 2673, and now it's coming back, and now it went even further down. Okay, and we're holding the support, so I think the price is going to push back up again to 26.72 or so. Are you a scalper? Yeah, I scalp and day trade. Gold hit stop loss. No, it didn't. What stop loss? It didn't hit the stop. Where are you from? I love your accent. I'm from originally Congo, but I am in Canada. I think I saw you in Edmonton before. Interesting. Whereabouts? Does Xmas work in your country? I'm not sure. I've never used Xmas. Do you look for retracements or zones? I look for zones. Okay. I look for like zones, the best area to look for either buys or sell. So normally on this live, I try to take 1 or 2 trades maximum, okay? And at the beginning of the live, I took at least 2 trades that turned out to be profitable. And now I am in on a third trade, which is a buy. I used crypto.com for the wallets, crypto.com. Can I buy right now? Well, as long as the price is within this support, 26.65 and 26.70, very strong support there, which is a good area to buy. Now it's even going to be better, more powerful if we get a 1 hour candle closing bullish at that support level. Okay, the support will be even more stronger. So if you just check the current 1 hour candle, it's not bullish yet, it's currently bearish. But if that 1 hour candle ends up being bullish, then this is going to be a strong signal to go ahead and place a buy, and then target 26.75 as your TP, 26.80 as your TP number 2. Okay, so you have to wait for the 1 hour candle to close for that. Okay, so with that being said, guys, we're gonna call it a day. Okay, this is the end of the live for now. We'll be back again at around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, make sure you follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram group to get more signals and more knowledge completely for free. The link is in the bio, and sign up with my recommended broker, abaro.com. The link is in my bio. Head over to my bio right now and sign up. And lastly, if you want to join my next trading class that's starting on October 21st, the deadline to register is October 20, so just head over there and fill the form, okay, to register. Okay, so yeah, this buy, I'm still in it, and I'm targeting 26.74 as a take profit number 1. And then I posted it on the VIP, so if you're in the VIP, then you'll see the signal. If you're not, then you see it only on TikTok here. Okay, so TP number 1 is 26.74. Actually, where is it? Let me look for it. Okay. So TP number 1, we have 26.74, 26.76 as TP number 2, and then finally 26.80 as a TP number 3. And then stop loss is at 26.74. Okay, but if you want to be extra safe, move it to 26. Let me go back to the 1 hour. 26.58 or 59, okay, around there. Okay, and in case you guys don't understand why is the price bouncing back up, okay, it's because of the fact that we are currently at support. Okay, so yeah, because the price is currently at this support zone between 26.65 and 26.70. This is a buy zone, so the price as it enters this zone is going to try to push back up, so it's a good area to be buying. Okay, and then if we break below that level, then it's going to sell and then start heading down. All right, so guys, thank you for watching. The quick question can I ask? Go ahead. What is it? What is it? Fair value gap is not a strategy that I use, so I cannot tell you anything to do with that. Okay, if you want to learn more about fair value gaps, then go on YouTube. Okay, I'm not the best person to ask for that information, guys. I'm so sorry, but it's not a strategy that I use, or yeah, I don't use it. Is it by, yeah, so I can't answer. And then buy now, I already told you, yes, price is currently at a support. So when the price is at support, you want to be looking for buy. If you're trying to sell at a support, then you're just putting yourself at risk of losing. If you're trying to sell, it's best you wait for the price to return to the resistance, which is at 26.80. Okay, 26.80, that is where you should look for sell. But for now, because the price is at support, you don't want to look for sell. If you're trying to sell here, you're most likely going to end up losing because the price is currently it's going to try to buy. Okay, so the only time you can anticipate a strong sell is we break below 26.58, which is like the major support there. Okay, and then another one is 26.65 here. Okay, this is the support on the 1 hour. If we break below this 26.65, this could be a sell, okay, as well. As long as we'll be within this zone here, be very dangerous to sell. Okay, and GBP/USD, I did look at it. I think I did tell you guys, I told you guys for GBP/USD, you want to look for sells, okay, at this level here. Okay, for GBP/USD, because we are currently in this downtrend, we want to look for sells, and the best area to look for sell is around, you know, price already got a retest here. We broke this support 1.3022. We broke the support. Now price did a retest, and then the retest is, so far it's looking well, and then the price is not coming down. So this is what's going to happen with GBP/USD. Since price broke this support, it came down to what did it come down to? It came down to 1.2986. Okay, and so this is now the new support the price is building for us here. So if you're trying to buy GBP/USD, okay, this is what you got to do. Number one, you wait. Okay, this is more advanced technique, but I will just tell you right here, this is what's gonna happen. Okay, we have support at 1.2982, and then we have minor resistance at 1.30. Okay, so what you want to do is, number one, if the price comes to 1.2984, okay, on the 1 hour time frame, and we get a bullish candlestick that close at this level, then you want to enter a buy. Okay, and if the price break the current resistance 1.3003, okay, we get a 1 hour candle closing above this resistance, then you can also buy. Okay, if the price comes to this level 1.3038 and we get rejected, you enter a sell. Okay, so you buy here, this is a buy, here is a sell if we get rejected, and then here is a buy if we break out. So these are the three possible scenarios that could happen for GBP/USD that you can take advantage of. Okay. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for everybody for watching. Thank you for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found some value out of it. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, join my Telegram group so you can get more information for free. Link is in the bio. And sign up with my recommended broker, abato.com, and FXCC. Link is in the bio as well. I'll come back again later today at around 10 p.m. Eastern time. I know I said that yesterday and I didn't because I had a family emergency, couldn't, but today I will come back around 10 p.m. by God's grace. Okay, so thank you so much for the gifters, for everybody who's following. I hope you guys enjoyed the remaining of your day. See you later. Bye for now.